Welcome back to Real Life. We're still here with JP Maunas. He's one of the advocates for the deaf right here in Cebu. And right now, it's time to get up close and personal with him. So, Jay, naka-notice ko ba, actually, I really admire your kanang passion bitaw for this advocacy. And honestly, murag, what you gonna expect nga, kanang, you would go to this direction. Um, I'm curious to know how does your family feel about this?
Mm,
About all this, the volunteering full time, like you've really, put all your effort na gyud para ani karon.
First, I medyo hesitations from the family because they want me to be a professional mo go pero
Oo.
they want they have their own dreams for me.
Oo.
And in my case also, I have to also look for or I mean I have to answer each calling unsa good unsa what I want my life to be in the future.
Mhm.
And kaingon ko, I feel so worthy. The reason why I volunteer is that I'm graced. I'm so blessed. Number one, sa akong family. Kasi ito sila po, ning support ng po sila sa cause nako. Pero before, grabe, murag
It was a struggle.
struggle jud kay
between the
maaway
two.
mis family, akong families or even my loved ones, mga anak sila na sa naman kay wala kay future sa volunteering. Ano ba? Wala kay future ana, ansa naman magparin lang ka. Pero
Ingon di uyab ana or
Oo.
wala. Ingon siya.
or my parents would tell me. Pero ako continue lang ko sa akong passion. And later on, they would understand. My mom, my dad, they would say na, sige, later on, they realize na, uy,
Nga, unsa gyud ang importance
oh,
ana
what I'm
bitaw.
really doing right now.
Because
For
if that's
me
what-
also, and for the deaf.
for the
And
deaf. Oo.
they would, sometimes, ay, ningon siya, there was a time na ningon sila na, I would, if I have time, I would volunteer also for the deaf community. Even my father, he already volunteered. So
Really?
that's
Nindot
it's
kaayo that,
it's really kuan, yung
it's rubbing off on
Yes,
them.
grabe.
Oo.
The feeling it's so yung satisfying. Um, the reason why because na volunteer po ko it's because I'm also grace na daghan ko blessings. Grace for the fact na the personal relationship, the connection with me, my family, and my friends, and nindot kaya mong interrelationship. But for the deaf, we consider them. Maybe you would question why the deaf. What about the other disability, or how about those children na walay kaon, street children? But for me or for us, the deaf is the poorest among the poor. For the reason na they don't have this connection with the hearing world or with their families. And if you don't have that connection, then wa kay interpersonal life. If you don't have that interpersonal life, you would say na kung bahala na gud sa baka dato diha. Di ba? They would say when you're on top, it's so lonely. Because wala man kay relationship
Yeah.
with your family, broken relationships, bisan na all the riches you have, wala man. It's the same with the deaf. That's why we have to, even in volunteering, there's a need for, even though there's a need for professional competency, but it's insufficient for the fact na we are dealing with human beings, and human beings needs that heartfelt concern, and it makes that person kuan ba, feel the richness of their humanity. Miyong ka, I want to volunteer because I'm superior than the people that I have served. That's a wrong kuan.
Murag
Yes.
sayop na siya nga mindset
Yes,
siguro.
it's
Jay.
wrong because
What should be the right mindset for that?
the right mindset for that is that when you volunteer, di ba? You you have to be you don't have to think about your skill, yung ka competency nimo. You have to think also of humanity aspect of the person that you are serving.
Mm-mm.
We may you may think na di ta kuan we are we are above, but it's not.
Mm-mm.
Even though we are helping
Mm-mm.
others, at the same time we also help.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Bitaw.
We also give help, and we are helped for the fact na we'll be able to know more of ourselves.
Mhm. So, have you experienced that to be very real in your volunteering life? Nga, how has it changed you when Jade?
It changed me personally. No, it made me a better person. It made me ano kayong the person that I cannot really describe it, pero
Kanang murag you have been more compassionate and kanang most siguro na ako nabantayan sa imuha nga murag nga that your passion for this advocacy is very makita jud bitaw, makita gyud kaayo nako sa imuha.
that is
karon.
because come on good. Persons, you're dealing with persons on good, and the more you get to know the person or the deaf, the more you get to know also yourself.
Mhm.
Diba? So, it's a two-way two-way system na
Mhm.
help ko nimo, and ako pod
Naka
at the end of the day I go home a better person.
aha.
So yun na ang sense of volunteering.
Kanindot eh. I'm sure a lot of people are watching us right now. I think maybe they're interested now to volunteer and to learn sign language and to be able to be of service bitaw to the deaf community here in Cebu. How can that be possible, Jay? Mo accept ba mo mga volunteers?
Yes, actually, we really need of volunteers.
Mhm.
We really need more people to get involved with the deaf. We would like to invite you to join GVSP, or the Golandi Volunteer Service Program. It's a volunteering program for young professionals, students, even retirees.
Mhm.
We don't really imply faith or religion,
Mhm.
just for the fact na when you are serving, the presence of God already is there. And
Yeah.
love, charity is synonymous with, it's love in action, and
Mhm. Mhm.
God is love. So they can see the beneficiaries nimo, they can see already God in you, because you don't
Yeah.
talk about faith.
Bitaw.
So I would like to invite them to come here to our center at St. Michael's Village, Banilad, Cebu. So, and also join our group page at Facebook,
Mhm.
and even our website. It's www.gvspvolunteers.com, or they can come here every Saturday from 2 to 4 p.m.
Okay.
for our free sign language classes. Or if they are busy on Saturdays, they can come here on Sundays for classes na to. And then every Sunday, the entire deaf community from Cebu would
Dili
visit
sila mo
here.
gather.
Yeah, they would
Okay.
be gathering here.
Uh-huh.
So because this is a social center at the same time.
Right.
So you could see the deaf and appreciate kung sige kadaghan ang deaf, and
Oo.
get to know more about deafness and the deaf person.
Mhm. Mao jud. I
So,
think
right now also we have this program on Break the Silence. I would invite those who are interested to volunteer.
Mhm.
Break the Silence is a deaf child sexual abuse prevention program,
Mhm.
wherein we'll be training volunteers
Mhm.
in capacitating them about teaching deaf students in protecting themselves from child abuse.
Mhm. Mhm.
So they will be going to schools,
Mhm.
SPED centers,
Okay.
to teach sexual abuse prevention to deaf children, and together we can stop the abuses, or the rising cases of abuses for the deaf. And also we are also inviting more volunteers to become interpreters.
Bitaw.
Gamay ra jud kay mi. So we need more people to.
Bitaw. Ganahan biya kay kuana, Jay.
It's easy. You know what? it's easy lang because every day we are signing.
Yeah.
So 70% of sign language is gestures.
Mhm.
30% lang na is
Katong mga
technical terms.
Yeah.
So
Good.
easy, di ba? Eating, everything.
Eating, everything,
Oh,
drinking,
yes, that's true.
sleeping. Ang sleeping, ana?
Yeah, sleeping.
O, sige
So,
na, natural na magukay nato na,
it's
no?
natural for us to sign.
Pero pwede ba sa kabo sleeping ka marag?
Oh, that's true. Ana.
Pwede ra?
Pwede
Pero
ra,
marag,
wala na siya.
yesterday, I was... Ana?
Yes, that's
Grabe sad.
Una,
So,
but,
marag synonyms na sila.
synonym na siya.
Synonyms. So, kung pwede ka mo ana or ana,
Yes, the more ka.
or ana.
That's
Kaya
true.
usay matug ka in ana ba ya? Way binuang. Honestly,
Kung
I was just joking.
What you act, that's what you sign already.
Okay.
You are already relaying a message.
So, kung may ka go there, pwede sa kamo.
Oh, or di ba walking? Di ba? I must walk walking. Or here, or the two of us.
Aha.
You go there and you come
Magpunta
here.
man ta. Okay. Sorry, mo example mo dito. The two of us, we go there and then. Okay.
Wala na.
Okay.
Get to know more about the deaf, and it's also the right time
Yeah.
for the deaf community to be heard through the interpreters and through the volunteers. We encourage the volunteers to be a person for the deaf. It's a love-life relationship when you are with the deaf, because in their own families or in their own communities, nobody would give importance to them.
Oo.
And you, as a GVSP volunteer,
Yeah, they feel like they're important.
yeah, they feel that they're
Oo.
important. They feel that they belong.
Included. Belong.
And there's a hearing person here na exerted his effort just to learn our language. And so, the more people na ma-encourage to learn sign language, the more people that would advocate for them.
Grabe. You know, Jape, it's always nice to do something good, bitaw, for humanity in general. You know, kanang, murag, no matter what it's for, like for the sexually abused, for the deaf, for the people who have nothing to eat, for the elderly, for the dying, and stuff like that. You know, nindot man kaayo. So guys, if you're interested to volunteer right here at GVSP, you know what to do already. JP invited you to come to the center or visit their website and their Facebook fan page. All the information is there, and everyone is welcome to come and join and volunteer.
Or they
you
may
know?
call or text.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
please, number.
they may text us 0932 202 7333. That's 0932 202 7333. Or you may call us 416 7381. That's 416-7381.
My God, nabi di sa numbers no nga sa usa ka kamot.
Yes na.
Kay kibaw ra ang ako rang nahibaw-an JP is kanang letters like Alexis. Yep.
Oh, that's true. This is their clap. By the way.
Yeah, na.
Yes. Because they may not appreciate
Nga
this
naman.
one because they cannot hear.
Oo,
So,
bitaw.
clapping in this manner. Okay, that's their clapping.
Okay.
Or if you don't know how to sign and you want to communicate with the deaf, you just write or arm spelling.
Pwede ra?
Pwede ra. Because most of them, they are educated. They can read and they can write. So,
Bitaw, pwede ra bitaw, no?
or you call them, una, tap on their shoulders. Or if wooden ang floor, stamp on the floor.
Okay,
Or you may use the lights to turn it on para ma-attention nila na dito. Or the simplest way to communicate is to texting. They can text.
Bitaw.
Or how will you know, diba? How will you know if you are outside, and then how will you inform the deaf person inside the room that you're outside? Some would use papers under the door and would wave it, or knob at the or shake the doorknob. But the easiest way is text, because it's vibrating mode. So, para mga deaf ana.
Bitaw, no?
Or you can see some deaf who can afford 3G. They sign to 3G. There are new technologies na mga can be applied. The other one is through visual relay system. More siya call center for the deaf. Like, for example, you buy this device. More siya na camera, and then once a deaf would call an operator in sign language. So,
Oh.
mag-sign ang deaf, and then itong operator would call you
Oo.
and interpret what the deaf is signing.
Okay.
And then if you will answer, the operator would sign for the deaf ng tawag.
Kanindot, see what wonders technology bring to
Yes.
modern times. Nindot kaayo. Japes, thank you so much for being here with us. You know, I've learned so many things. I hope you guys have learned a lot of things about deaf and passion and love.
Yes.
You know, in this episode of Real Life. We're very happy, Jape.
Lastly, lang day,
Mm.
Alexis, we have this incoming project together
Okay.
with the Voluntary Service Overseas,
Mhm.
the Asia Foundation,
Okay.
about electoral education
Mhm.
for an inclusive election this 2013.
Okay.
So, ang aim na mo na is to partner with the local government, the provincial government, because we are chosen as a host organization here in Cebu Province. Na kita mo pilot for this project on electoral education sa mga persons with disability.
Okay.
What we're
so-
doing right
oo.
now is to encourage, to partner with the different agencies and focus on an inclusive election wherein ang mga PWDs, they could practice their right to vote this election. Yeah. Tanan, everything, ang accommodation that they need, mahatag na to for the PWDs this election. I hope the government and private companies, agencies, media companies, RCTV, would partner with us also for this campaign on an inclusive, or what we call fully abled nation, or electoral inclusive elections for persons with disability this 2013.
Very
Para
good.
ang iba na po'y right food,
Oo, good.
ma-exercise ang mga
Yeah.
deaf and persons with disability.
Yeah.
Na they have to practice their right. Di lang sa balay lang sila, what sila say about everything.
Maujud.
Baka
Involved yun sila.
They got to get to
Ana.
involved through to an inclusive society. And
Bitaw.
Cebu is the best kan.
Maugid.
Tanan, I think most of the pilot projects Cebu jud gi pangita. Or
As
kita
in,
po first. Actually, in the last year, we were able to win this chosen or this award for innovations in human rights for in the Philippines. So among 300 entries, now we get to be chosen. Yeah,
That's so
the
great.
only organization from Cebu to win that award.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, congratulations.
Yes. Yeah, through the support also of the volunteers and our partner organizations. So I hope everyone, those who have nothing to do or they have plenty of time,
Yeah.
hope you could volunteer and serve yourself and make your time more worthy for our deaf brothers and sisters.
Kanindot, we, grabe. You're so amazing, Jape. I'm sure daghan na kay na in love nimo after watching this episode.
Yes.
Daghan na rabadaan. Well, anyway, thank you very much, Jape. Salamat for having us here. That's all the time we have for now. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Real Life. Once again, my name is Alexis saying thanks for keeping it here on RCTV Channel 36.
We got you covered.